Comes down to that basic premises, what is my job as sheriff of Amador County? And that is to make everybody feel safe and be safe.
On Tuesday, Amador County Sheriff Gary Redmond announced what he calls a public safety first approach when it comes to undocumented immigrants. The sheriff says they will contact U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement, or ICE, if they arrest someone in the country illegally.
I want everybody to feel safe, regardless of your status. But if you are a public safety risk, you are a violent felon, I'm going to do everything in my power to come after you. And if that part is contacting ICE and dealing with ICE to get you out of Amador County, I'm going to use that.
Redmond sharing these examples of crimes where his department will step in and contact federal agents.
Domestic violence, robbery is a violent crime, homicide, rape, child molestation, things along those lines.
State law allows law enforcement to coordinate with ICE for people convicted of or face credible charges of violent or serious felonies, but the law has some limits.
SB 54 since 2017 has not permitted state law enforcement officials to ask immigration-related questions, and the courts can't do it either.
Immigration attorney Hugo Vera believes this announcement does not break the so-called California Values Act, but sets the stage for more counties to challenge it.
I think they're starting to open the door to challenging the state's sanctuary law. But I do see a clear kind of a first shot at undoing some of the provisions in SB 54 that protect the immigrant community here.
So, Andres, you mentioned the California law that doesn't permit law enforcement with cooperating with ICE. So what else did the sheriff tell you about that?
Well, Sheriff Redmond says his department will not abide to SB 54, claiming that it would place him in violation of federal law. However, in 2019, the Ninth Circuit of Appeals Court ruled that SB 54 does not violate federal law.
All right, Andres, thank you.